Hello, my name is Richard McDowall. I'm the founder of Wow Bang Boom Limited, the IT consultancy specializing in technology to improve business performance. And in my AI series, I share my findings from my research into artificial intelligence. In my previous article in the AI series, I did an introduction into machine learning. You can find it on my blog. Remember that machine learning is the ability to teach computers to learn for themselves. You'll probably use machine learning in some form or another every single day. Examples of machine learning are streaming service recommendations. When you finish watching a movie on your favorite streaming service and the streaming service gives you recommendations for other movies that you might like, that's likely to be machine learning. Or when we talk to our mobile phone. When you ask your phone, "Hey Siri, play a song by Pearl Jam." That's machine learning. And something that I've been doing quite a lot of research on recently is in manufacturing quality control, in the automated detection of defects in the manufacturing process. That's also machine learning. In today's article is also about machine learning, and today I delve a little deeper into how machine learning actually works. Machine learning differs from normal software development in that we use code rather than our own intuition to improve how well the machine learning software works. Ultimately, the goal of machine learning is to find patterns in the data and use these patterns to make estimates. There's two types of machine learning: supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. The difference being the need for human intervention in the learning process for supervised machine learning. Today, machine learning is creating massive economic value, with 99% of the value being generated coming from supervised machine learning. In supervised machine learning, the AI model is trained using data, plus two pieces of code: the objective function and the optimizer. In supervised machine learning, the model is the formula that makes estimates about the data. The data refers to the information we want the model to learn from. The objective defines what the model is trying to achieve. And the optimizer provides extra code which changes the model depending on its performance. Once development of the model is complete, the first thing we need to do is to train the model. And once a model is finished training, it can then be moved as a standalone file where it can be used to provide its desired function. Once we arrive at this point, we then no longer need the original data, the objective function, and the optimizer. The data used to train the model is called the training data set. As is the case across many aspects of information technology, the data becomes of vital importance. And this is no different with artificial intelligence. The power of the machine learning model comes from the data used to train the model. The better the quality of the data, the better the result from the model. At least that's what I've found in my research. And so even before embarking on an AI journey, it's really important the training data is readily available, that it's structured and it's a real quality product. As we mentioned earlier, a practical example of machine learning is in the field of manufacturing, where we employ product visual inspection to look for defects in the manufactured product. In this example of supervised machine learning, the data input to the model, which we call the X, would be the product or the image of the product that's being manufactured. The output from the model would be whether or not the product being manufactured has a defect or not, such as a scratch on the glass of the mobile phone. This example would be classed as a regression algorithm of supervised machine learning. We will delve a little deeper into supervised machine learning and the algorithms in the next article. I hope this has given you an overview, at least at a high level, of how machine learning works Stay tuned for more AI insights in my Wow Bang Boom AI series. And if you like this video and you feel it's of some use to you, please like the video using the like button below, and follow my channel for more videos. Thanks.